Good day, campers. We have a Momentum toy hauler built by Grand Design. This is the fireplace the way it looked when we moved in. The gray stuff you see is a lightweight, man-made material of some sort. We wanted to do something different. After some research, we decided on peel and stick tile. We removed the existing man-made material, cleaned, sanded, and cleaned again the area where the peel and stick tile would be attached. We used Formula 409 and alcohol to do the actual cleaning, finishing up with a clean, wet microfiber towel. We didn't remove the fireplace, but if we had it to do again, we would. That would have made fitting the peel and stick tile much easier. Another note, we have later wished we had put a shelf in the large opening above the fireplace because it's the perfect place for a sound bar or other device you may want to connect to the TV. We started in the lower right-hand corner and worked across and up. We continued across the bottom, then up each side. We didn't use any extra glue to apply the peel and stick tile, and that has worked out well. The adhesive on the back of the peel and stick tile has held up over the last several years. We continued up the sides and across the top. Because peel and stick tile is made the way it is, matching the seams is not that difficult. Just be careful and don't rush. We like the peel and stick much better than the original man-made stuff. Thanks for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe.